Howdy, I'm Wayne, in case you don't recognize me with my mask on. I'm at Walmart. We're in the Nerf section. We're looking for a couple of targets. They have two of them. I think we're going to get both of them. Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. We are back from the store. We picked up a little Nerf item. This is one of those Nerf targets you shoot at with your Nerf guns. Alright, let's open it up and see how it does here. See where we can get into this the easiest. Piece of tape right there. Now, let's see if we can get into this. Here we go. There it is. That's pretty nifty looking. There's some instructions in here. Shows you how to use it. We'll go through those. My theory is when all else fails, read the instructions. So let's see what we got here. Looks like batteries. Alright. This is 3 AAA. That's the little ones. See what we can do here. Alright. They go in right there, like that. Sure you get them in the right direction. Shows you positive, negative here. Okay, let's put the battery cap back on. Alright, there we go. There's an on-off switch here on the bottom. Right there. Turn it on. It says activate mode select. Okay, we turn it on the bottom here. Activate. Now you select 1 or 2. We're going to select game number 1. Hit the mode. Select. Got game 1. Now you want 1 or 2 players. I'm going to play 1 player. Alright. Now press the mode button. And you got 1 or 2 minutes that you have to hit all these targets. So we'll do select on 1 minute, okay? Count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1. Now I got 10 seconds to hit the bullseye. Alright. I like that. Reset them. Like that. 280 points it says. See where it says on the display there? Alright. Alright, game number 2 is called Stack 'em. Let's go up here. Activate. Mode to 2. Select. Now you got 1 player or 2 player. I'm going with 1 player because I only have 1 person here. Select it. 1 minute or 2 minutes. Now, when you hit select here, it's going to count down. You got to shoot whichever light's on, red or blue. Shoot that side. Okay? So let's select it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. The blue light's on. Now the red light's on. Now we got, I guess I messed up. Hit the bullseye. I didn't get the points. Let's do that again. Reset them. Okay. And one minute. Select. Counting down. The blue light's on right now. Okay, we've got to hit the blue lights. 1, 2, 3. Now the red light's on. Alright. It's going to come up here in a second and give us 10 seconds to hit the bullseye, I think. Well, that's the stack 'em game right there. So we'll reset everything. Okay, game number 3. Activate. You go to mode. There's 1, 2, 3. Select. 1 player, 2 player, 1 player. We'll go 1 player. 1 minute or 2 minutes. We'll go 1 minute. Now what this is going to do, you're going to have to hit these in order. 5, 10, 15, 25, 50, 75, then the bullseye. And you get points for that. And you only have a few seconds, I think. So let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 5, 10, 15, 25, 50, 75. There's the bullseye. All right. Well, that works good. So that's your target game for your Nerf gun. Makes a lot of noise, doesn't it? Turn it kind of off, hit the activate and it turns it off. Alright, that's how that works. This is an interesting little game. You might want to look this one up. I got this at Walmart. Okay? We'll use this when we start reviewing more of the Nerf guns. Okay, I guess we'll see you next time. I have both of the Nerf targets up here. They're under a playlist called Nerf Toys. Go check them both out.